Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guarantee RV Super Centers enjoying the sun. I'm going to show you a really cool trailer. This is a Sundance 221RB. Now Sundance is a company that's from Heartland. We carry a lot of Heartland products and they build a nice trailer for the money. And this is a dynamite floor plan. You're really going to like it. Follow me. One thing that's kind of really neat on this trailer, I'll tell you, it's got some hinges that are friction hinges, and what they do is they make it hard to swing so the wind can't catch it and bang it into the side of your trailer. Now we don't have to have those little plastic door clips down here that always seem to get broken anyway. So it's really good. The other thing I want to show you is this. These guys have a 3-year structural warranty. That's quite remarkable. Most RVs just have a 1-year warranty on their craftsmanship. That's it. These guys are saying their structure's warranted for 3 years. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. So the thing about this floor plan is that it's really open. Today we have trailers that have a lot of separated spaces, little private bedrooms, lots of little things busting up their floor plans, but this one doesn't. This is wide open, so a small trailer feels really big. Take a look up here. We've got a full queen walk-around bed, and you can see that's a full-size queen. That's much more roomy than a lot of the RV beds that I'm seeing. Also, it's got a lot of storage. You can see full-length hangers here, overhead space here, sleeping lamps, and also, by the way, or reading lamps. I guess you turn them off when you sleep. Over here you have some USB chargers for your phones. One thing you also see looking in here is that this has a crowned ceiling on the interior. So people that are tall, like our camera guy here, can walk around in here without feeling like they have to duck or bump their head on anything. It's quite a bit roomier than most trailers. Now, as we go up into the living space, it's really unique because, first of all, we've got a kind of a countertop bar area here. You could sit up here and put your coffee up here or whatever, and it adds a little separation to the bedroom area without making things feel closed off. And look at all the counter space in here. It's got a magnificent galley. Huge double size farm sink, single handle stainless faucet. It's gorgeous. And there's actually, you can't see it right now because we're not plugged in, but there's some recessed lighting in various places through this coach, which make it look really elegant in the evening when the lights are on. This also has a flush mounted glass surface stovetop, and that's dynamite because after I'm done cooking, I can just let this come down and I can be part of my overall counter space. Many times people have said, I want an RV with more countertop. I like it because I like to make burritos and have lots of bowls and things out on the tables, you know, on the countertops. This has a lot of room. Also has a lot of drawers. These beautiful mission style handles. There's a silverware drawer for you. So you have a whole arrangement of storage here. It has a stainless steel oven. Has the stainless steel finish on the refrigerator, large refrigerator freezer here. And then if you look at this living area here, we have a horseshoe seating area. So this is a dinette, right? But if I want to, I could take this table out and I could just make this be like a sectional sofa in my house, make it a nice big social area. And you'll see that right across from the dining area is your large TV set and your home theater system. This will play DVDs. It'll also connect to your Bluetooth devices. It does all kinds of cool things. And then of course this will also make into a bed. So this will sleep 4 comfortably. If you have guests with you, you can definitely use this rig. Now, they've got a beautiful bathroom. You can take a look in here and see that we have a fully enclosed shower, have a really nice sink and a medicine cabinet, and it's got a skylight, so it's a really well lit place. And it's got towel racks in it and all of that stuff. And then we come over here and we've got this set of cabinets to use for all kinds of storage, whether it's for hanging storage here and here or pantry space, however you want to use it. So that's dynamite. Also, it's nice to see that you don't have the kind of hinges that screw into the outside of your cabinets. These are hidden hinges. They're a lot more attractive. We remodel our kitchen. That's what we put in our kitchen. Let's take a look outside. A couple of things I want to point out about the exterior. First of all, this is a strikingly good-looking rig. White with black graphics and black tinted glass. It's just got a really nice appearance. Also, it has the power awning, big grab handle, and a triple step. Sometimes people complain about having to step up to hide trailers, and that's when, like this trailer, it actually has very good ground clearance and sits up pretty high, so the triple step is nice to have. Come on up here. You can see we have a really large front storage area. I always joke around you can park a Volkswagen in here, but it's just got a lot of room for stuff. You know, I have a ton of hobbies, and it's nice to be able to have a spot where I can keep all my stuff and stay organized. That's what you can do with that. Around the front, we've got the power tongue jack, the dual propane tanks, and you'll see we've got a new updated front compartment on this. This is a nice enclosure. It really protects the front of the rig from weathering and sun damage, and it's attractive and aerodynamic. So I really like this a lot. We'll take a look over here. I just want to point out to you this slide out, because this is a rack and pinion slide. There's several different types of slide mechanisms today, but this is the original, tough, durable, solid state, very reliable way to operate a slide out. They just go straight out and straight back, and because they go under the coach, they're easier to get to and service, and you have a taller slide room area, so tall people, again, don't bump their heads when they're getting up out of the dining area. Follow me back here. I mentioned ground clearance to you a little bit ago. With this trailer, the springs for the suspension are shackled over the axles, which gives you 4 more inches of overall clearance, and that means that your plumbing in the back here isn't going to be so close to the ground. A lot of times you look at these trailers and you wonder how you can use them without dragging them, but this is tall and it really does a good job of not getting hung up on stuff. Also, real quick, I want to point out this has a sewer flush on it, so you can clean your black tank and remove the need to service it later. And also you have access for cable and satellite connectors right here. So that's dynamite. We look in the very back. I want you to notice that we have a nice crowned roof. This really has good water runoff, so you never have to worry about water standing on your roof. That's going to add longevity to your seals, make it less likely that you're ever going to have a water leak. And also take a look up here. This little black fixture here is for pre-wiring for a backup camera. So if you're somebody that would benefit from the use of a backup camera, this one is all set up to take that option easily. That's a quick look at the 221 RB Sundance from North Trail. I like this trailer a lot, especially love this floor plan. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or you'd like to see one in person, just give me a call. My name's Matt Elliott. You can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.